You know, 2 points. Romer Marquez. 2 points. Hey! Conrado Lagaya. Kondisyon! Conrado Lagaya. 3. Cody, you know, 2 points. Clifford, very seconds to shoot. Cody, you know, 2 points. 40. Romar, nag-iisa, 2 points. Change card. Woo! Grabe ball movement yun, 2 points. 2 points. Lagaya. Riego. 3. Sanchez. No good. Lucido. 2 points. Still. 2 points. Riego. Riego. No good. Lucido. 2 points. Cortez. Woo! 2 points. Cortez. Cortez. Pull up. 2 points. Ayip. For 3. 2 points. 5 seconds. 2 points. Lucido. Batoto. Ganda ng pull up. 2 points. Batoto. Grabe yun. Pwede. Huli. Nice make. Simple lang. 2 points. Nice pass. Pull up. 2 points. Litrodo. 2 points. Velarde. 10 to shoot. 3. Lucido. 3. Lucido. Riego. 2 points. Isa na lang. 30 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 points. Lamang na. Potato. Woo! What a pass. 2 points. For 3. Sistona. Super cute. Nice pass. 2 points. 36-38. Dalawa lang. 2 points. Sistana. Nice pass. Pakain kayo dyan. 2 points. Liver Florentino. Aguirre. Short. Linard. Wow! 10 to shoot. Riego. 3. Riego. 3. Lamang na. Following. No good. Foul basket counts. Binigay. Lucido. 2 points. Tatlong kalamangan ng Falcons. Ito na. Cortez, 2 points. 2 points. Velarde, 1 minute remaining. Riego, 3. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Lucido. Basket counts. End of the third quarter. Stona. Nice break. Pull up. 2 points. Lamang na. Stona for 3. Nice pass. 2 points. Velarde. Import. Foul, basket counts. No good. Ruiz, 2 points. To pass to Riego. Riego, crossover. Riego, 2 points. Lucido. 2 points. Riego, lamang na ng isa. Velarde. Shoot. 2 points. Basket counts. Grabe yun. No good. Oh, deep. 2 points. Sisona. Pull up. Oh, 2-point basket. For 3. Oh, 2 points. Isang kalaman. Marquez. Wow. And the regulation final score 72-74. Congratulations, Tigers.